village camping Darjeeling, through which we will be taking you to different places. Hello everyone, welcome to our another vlog, and today we are at Labrang monastery, which is located at around 7,000 feet above sea level right now. It's 38 kilometers from the main Gangtok town. So I'll give you a quick tour of Labrang monastery in northern Sikkim. Let's go and have a look. So this is a big board here. This is the entrance. If I talk about this monastery belonged to Nyingma sect. Like the Phudung one was Kagyu sect, this is Nyingma sect. And this monastery was built around 1826 to 1853, and the founder of the monastery was Gyalshe Rigzin Champo. So this is how the Labrang monastery looks like, completely made of stones. Before it was completely made with wood and stones, but as you know, it's pretty old one now. At the top ceiling, it has been reconstructed using the galvanized sheet and the iron and the steels, you know. So over here there is a museum. I don't know, I don't see nobody, it's closed. So this is the Labrang monastery. So if you come over Sikkim, you can literally find uncountable number of monasteries here. There is this must be a prayer room or something. Yeah, this is a prayer room, and those are the paintings which are literally done, and a lot of different manifestation of Lord Buddha. If you can see properly, different types of Buddha are there. Yeah, different posture and different colors. So these are all the manifestation of Buddha. I see a small place over there. From there I think we can see the other side. From here we can see most of the northern part of Sikkim, and I don't know what all the other places are, and we'll be showing you two more places in our another vlog. Right down below there is another monastery, you can see that. We'll give you a tour of that, as well as right over there that is a palace of a king. So for that you need to watch our another vlog. Okay, so this is Labrang monastery. I've given you a very brief information about the monastery. So today's my tour guide is Wangchuk. He's from northern part of Sikkim, Ramthang, and if you come to Sikkim, northern part, you can hire him as a guide, right? He'll take you around, and he has a very good rate, you know, for a particular day. A guide with full of information. So this is Labrang monastery. Located at a beautiful hilltop. If you can see, you know, the walls are made by stones. That was a pretty long time back when this thing was made. Oh. All made of wood. So I hope you all are enjoying my vlog of northern Sikkim. I came alone, and over here, like my gala, I stayed at his house, and I've been going around, looking around. Tomorrow I'll be heading towards Darjeeling back again. Literally, this is a very, very wonderful and beautiful place. Hope you liked this vlog. Keep showing your love and support to us. If you look at the walls, it's so beautiful. I try to make my vlog short, but literally it's literally hard for me. So we present to you the Labrang Monastery of Northern Sikkim. Thank you for watching. Keep your love and support to our channel, Village Camping Darjeeling, through which we will be taking you to different places of different villages of different places, and yeah.